would like to talk about NaviSuite UCA. NaviSuite UCA is a tool which we have developed especially for Trimble. UCA is a special crab. It's a fiddler crab with a big crab on one hand and a very small crab on the other side, is staying the same figure as an excavator. That's the why we named it. So as I told you, it was specially developed for Trimble, and it's in the moment the only great control system we are supporting is the GCS 900 from Trimble. And we are normally also not selling it directly. It will be it can be sold only by Trimble marine dealers all over the world. The software is based on the Navi model, which is the 3D online display also for the UCA solution, and it's used for precise dredging operations with a reduced time frame. That means you can directly see online what the excavator or the clamshell is doing. These are the components inside the UCA system. First of all, we have the sensor data, which is measured from the grab. The excavator grab has different inclinometers or even cable lengths, and this cable length calculates the position of the excavator grab. Then we use NaviPack for the positioning of the whole device, so we need also an RTK position and maybe also a motion sensor for the barge, because these excavators are normally mounted on a barge or on a small vessel. And NaviPack is also used as the background for the data, for example, as for navigational charts or a pre-survey, which can be loaded then as background information to the data. NaviPack 3D means the dredging module, which is the 3D helmsman, which we have seen already several times today, and allows cross-profile view on which you have seen on the first slide, and 3D visualization of excavator and seabed, and allows directly after you have excavated the volume, 3D visualization and integrated volume calculation. Here you see a small view of an excavator just digging into the seafloor. Here you have a vertical profile, and here you have a profile from top. And here you have a typical view of the top view of the excavated area. So you see directly here, this is the corridor which was already dredged, and the whole thing is working. So the volume and the size of the dredger is known, and it's just when it's excavating, the depth of the grab is measured, and then by the movement of the grab, the program decides how much volume is removed, and then just in online it's calculated and shown in the graphics. The module is prepared also for the integration with sonars. That means you can also work directly with the multibeam sonar, which is working in parallel. That means, for example, if you use NaviScan for the multibeam data, then you can install in parallel a multibeam, and then just on the bow of the vessel you have the multibeam installed, measure the seafloor, and on the aft of the vessel the excavator is removing with a drag the volume. Any questions to that? So as I already said, we are not selling that by ourselves. That's only sold by Trimble marine dealers, and it's further development directly for Trimble, because they want to get a successor for the Trimble Terra module. Any questions?
Preguntas?
Otherwise, I thank you for your attention and keeping you alive the whole day. I hope I have not bothered you too much. My business cards are here in the front, also handwritten cards. If you have some special questions, please let us know, write an email, or just call us, and then we will answer your questions. So thank you from my side, and I wish you all a good trip home.